Good day, everyone. Good day, my followers, and good day, my viewers. I am teacher Patrick. So today I'll be taking you physics, and today's topic is microscope. Under it, linear magnification. Sit down, relax, and watch. If the linear magnification of the objective and eyepiece convex lenses of a compound microscope are 4 and 7 respectively, calculate the angular magnification. So these are the options: A 28, B 2, C 3, D 11. Solution. Okay, now linear magnification, angular magnification. So they say we find the angular magnification. So angular magnification capital M is given as M1 times M2, where M1 is the magnification for objective lens, M2 magnification for eyepiece lens. Okay, so getting your angular magnification, M1 times M2. So what is our M1 from the equation? Our M1 objective and eyepiece respectively. So our M1 is 4. Put your 4 here. Our M2 is what? 7. Put your 7. 4 times 7, 28. So you want to check your answer. The answer is what? Option what? A. And this is how you solve questions involving angular magnification or linear magnification. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and comment. See you next time again. Bye bye.